Thanks to Carton Pod for sponsoring this video.
Why is there a full pack of white paper in here?
Oh boy.
Okay, so today we have the FlexStar 645 watt. Pretty excited for this one. Finally, I got a bar light. Oh, pulling on my own cord here. This is taped straight to hell. Wait, is this glued over here? I'm confused. Turn it sideways, man. Uh-oh. Why is there a full pack of white paper in here? Was their packing like newspaper, but they didn't crunch it? Interesting.
Oh,
Wait, there's a straight up fucking... Why are these in here to weigh it down?
what?
Some printer paper. Interesting. Multi-purpose paper. What is that for? Oh, and we got a manual in here. This is the ProTech, I believe. It looks exactly like the ProTech. So I wonder if there's any difference.
Which one's to copy who?
Yeah. Okay, let's start with the manual. But yeah, no, I very much like the bar light design. This is a lot bigger than I thought it would be too. And I wonder, does it lock in place like this? Is there it's foldable, so it must. Wow. What a beautiful light. All right. There's two of them. There's a Pro version. This isn't the Pro version.
The 750 watts, the Pro one?
No. It's also 645. They just have the same thing with Pro next to it. So I guess probably maybe like they test them. Some are better than others. So this FlexStar 640 watt. This has to be the best light we've ever reviewed here. The spread and coverage is the most even out of any light we've ever reviewed here. It's the highest efficacy out of any light we've ever reviewed here. In their manual, they're claiming an efficacy of 2.6 on this model and 2.8 on the Pro model. So that doesn't sound incredible, the 2.6, but since it's honest, it actually is. Typically, like other companies will claim 2.9, 2.8 on their models that really only come in at 2.2. But here, FlexStar is actually claiming the 2.6, and I think the efficacy of this light is probably actually just a little bit higher than that, about 2.7, which is kind of crazy that they're not playing that game that other competitors are. They don't have to lie about their product, and that says a lot when everybody else is inflating their numbers and being dishonest. To stay honest in that market is saying a lot. So shout out to FlexStar. We're gonna have to hang it up in the tent.
Okay, well.
I feel like this light deserves a really good review.
Okay, let's take it out to the tent.
I think that was a different light.
Oh, that good?
Well, I mean, let's lower it back down.
Okay, where do we want it?
Like 2 feet.
Okay.
Higher. A little higher.
Oh boy. If you're looking to fill a 5x5 area, the Flex Star is a great choice for you. The highest efficiency you can get, fucking best coverage. Bar lights are where it's at right now. I don't really see how you can improve very much on it. Like if you look underneath, the strips are so thin and they're so evenly spread that the coverage is just amazing. And most lights, like all my other lights, they don't really fill a 5x5 tent. Yeah, I'd have to put multiple ones in here to fill up this tent, and this is just in one go. It's so perfect. This is a great light. It's $800 US. If you're interested in purchasing the Flex Star 645, check out the link in the description.